All right, what's up guys? Thank you and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Uber application. All right, I'm going to be showing you guys how to request a ride in the Uber application. All right, so you can go to your Google Play Store if you are using an Android phone, or if you are on iPhone, you go to your App Store and then search for Uber, have it installed, and then now we have to get started. So click on open. So when you open up the Uber application, you have to see the first home page that says get started. Okay, click on get started. So here it says enter your mobile number. All right, so what you got to do first is to click on this drop down button uh across the country flag that you can see at the top. Click on the drop down button and then you're going to see a lot of countries here. So alphabetically it is arranged. You can just go ahead and look for your country. All right, so after that you input your phone number. All right, so you input your phone number. So I'm going to put in my phone number. So after putting the phone number, you go ahead and tap on continue. All right, so a code will be sent to the phone number you just input. So what you're going to do is to check your phone and then see if you got the application. All right, so, sorry, you check your phone if you got a code. All right, it's 4-digit code, and then you got to put the code and then put in the code correctly, and then it will take you to the next step where you have to put in your Gmail address. Right, all right, then you tap on done. After that you click on next. So here you have to input your first name and your last name. All right, so after that you click on next. All right, so here it says accept Uber terms and review privacy notice. Okay, tap here, check this box and then tap on next. And then here it says get moving faster with Uber, tap on next. Then here it says select your preferred payment method. All right, so you have to select any of the available payment methods that you have. If you have all of these cards, you can use one, but if you can see, there are a lot of methods you can pay with. All right, for now let's tap on do this later. Okay, so I'll tap on the do this later at the top, and then here it says select payment method. So I will just tap on not now. Okay, then here it says review Uber discount and news. All right, go ahead and tap on next. So it says welcome to Uber, customizing your experience. Okay, so now we are back on the Uber application. So it says take a tour. Right, so I don't think that is really necessary. We just go ahead and tap on skip. All right, so then to order a ride, in the Uber application, what you got to do, you see this part, this search tab at the top. You see you have a question that is there that says where to. Click on that and then select your current location. Let's put our destination as uh Aja, or let's say Surulere. Surulere Surulere post office. Okay, so here is the price. So from the place I'm currently in, according to where I put from the first option that says where to, and to where I am going to, this is the price. Right, 3,420 naira. Then if you want the faster Uber, you can see a lot of a lot of charges for each of them. So you can just select on anyone you are able, and or the one you can be capable to pay. Then you could just go ahead and, okay, this one is for packages. In case you wanna order a package from a dispatch rider. All right, so a lot of things. Okay, so I selected on the first one and say let me just click on uh confirm Uber Go. All right, so now it says confirm the pick location. So I confirm pick up. So it seems as stuff as required away from this pick location is someone else. Let me just tell them it's for me because they actually dictate that I'm far. But let's just go ahead and say no, that it's for me. I'm not saying I'm not ordering for someone else, so I'm not going to click on yes. I'm going to click on no, it's for me. All right, so here it says no payment method yet. All right, so choose a payment method. So you can just go ahead and select cash. All right, so if you select cash, that means you're going to pay with cash. So here it says confirming your trip. All right, so trip details, stuff like that. Drop off by 11:28. So you see Surulere post office. Okay, so finally we have we have gotten a ride, and then here it says meet at the pickup point for Lekki phase 1. So you can see here is the driver's plate number, then here is driver's name, Suzuki Fiasco, maybe the car's name, I don't know. Okay, that's the car's name, I don't know. Then here is the plate number. Okay, here's the driver's name, Muslidin Abolaji, that's the driver's name. Then the board number is the car plate number, and Suzuki's Fresco is the driver's car type. And then here it says any pickup notes. So here you're going to drop a note for the driver, tell him where you are currently, the type of clothes you're wearing, and you have a call button here where you can just tap on the call button and call the driver for him to come pick you up. So if you have any question to ask, please you can just drop that in the comment section. And I want you guys to understand that this is also my first time of opening this Uber application, but due to my so I had to understand whatever thing that I'm doing right over here. Okay, so guys, please subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. Peace out.